There's a man who I think he might be having a heart attack.
When someone's heart stops, every second matters. Whether you've had CPR training or never been trained, it can be overwhelming when the emergency involves your loved one. That's when 911 steps in, ready to assist. When you call 911, trained emergency communications specialists don't just send help, they stay with you on the line and guide you step by step through CPR until EMS arrives. The Sedgwick County 911 team is CPR certified and specially trained through the International Academy of Emergency Dispatch to assess patients over the phone and provide instructions tailored to the situation, including guidance based on age, medical conditions, or unique circumstances. This wall of hearts visually represents the impact that 911 has on the community in relation to cardiac arrest events. Each heart includes the name of the employee who provided CPR instructions and the patient's age, reflecting lives touched at every stage, from a 1-month-old infant to older adults. Starting CPR before first responders arrive greatly improves the chance of survival. Those first few minutes matter, and real-time guidance helps people begin life-saving care sooner. If someone collapses or is experiencing chest discomfort, call 911 right away. Put your phone on speaker and then follow the instructions. We're there to lend a helping hand until help arrives.
1, 2, 3.
In those first critical moments, we're right there with you.